Hey YouTube, just coming at you with a very, very quick message. I've been listening to so many things going on in the world with this whole COVID situation, with the restrictions, vaccine, passports, everything that's coming at us left, right, and center. And if you are a believer in Christ, then you probably are well aware that these are things that we should have come to expect because we've been prepared and warned for these things for a very, very long time. And we know what's going on with the precursor to all of this is. All I have to say to my friends, family, and anyone with ears to hear and eyes to see is that the only way you are going to be safe is to have the clarity of mind to hear directions and instructions straight from the Creator to you as to how to move and to resist. You must resist these people at every turn and apply pressure. That's your only chance out of this. Resist and apply pressure. Don't stop. Don't let up. Not one bit, because they're not going to take their foot off of you. And if you're not careful and if you're not diligent, they will gain control. Resist, resist, resist. Resistance is a personal choice. Everybody's got choices. Sometimes they're just not the ones that we ideally want to make at that time. But right now, when it comes to life and death, if you want to choose life, resist and insist and apply pressure. Have a nice night.